the Saga group of company. The other Gonda or Ogechi. One year also Ogechi with the only thing now but on this world and when war and when message for you people. Man, I you will get this message. Man, I you will not have to tell you when they what I go. See you, Madame.
Okay, baby.
I'm not ever July. I'm going to be all these people selling no Ogechi. We even about her. Selling no Ogechi with the only thing melu na how Ubo hat and Ubo or Sembeko for. Selling no Ogechi with a melu na the highest career how supposedly attend nebe ha na arụ na helu bụ he. Selling no Ogechi melu na hem emebo travel. Or no Ogechi melu na ha achieve go if actually achieve no asho nka ngwa unu Adama agba Saga but you cannot change my stand from standing with onye nchore ekwo. My sense of judgment is reserved specifically for me to use it at my own discretion. If I see a reason why I should stand here, it is entirely my decision, and whatever then that comes out of it is also left for me to bear. Why am I saying this? Why I'm saying this is for you to always keep running in and out of my comment section. Nam drop one message with anything to do with Ogechi, running in and out to come and tell me this one. I will start blocking you people immediately. Let me even add the fella de moon. Ogechi no Nigeria. No Ogechi bata Nigeria na menka no na agboso. Even when Ogechi is still in Nigeria, ono ka na bakwa about onye na agboso na onye adaghị agboso. Fella de moon. Ono ya gugudokwa bridge Ogechi anocha na Nigeria na e ka no na bakwa. Is it not enough time for you people to end this endless battle and we born a lead you to? Is it not time for you people to be productive and end this endless battle when we born a lead you to? If you don't tiki since over 7 years, 6 years, 9 years still up to today, alliance here and there. I am not ready to align with any of you because I don't see anything reason to. So if you come to my Fondenase, no deceive Ogechi away Batana Nigeria, I don't know why you people cannot get tired of crying. I think it is high time I get all of you. I get rid of all of you from my page. Because my page I put ban about Saga. I choose to reason with who I want to reason. I choose for reasons best known to me to support whoever I want to support. My sense of judgment is reserved specifically for me. I can associate with whoever I want to associate, both in public and in private. Out of my own discretion and decision. You have nothing to do with it. So if you choose to come to my comment section to be constituting nuisance, because one obodo you America very far away in order to each Batakwana Nigeria. Gafe airport to Bata. Norukwa die today. Police arrest your Patakwa. In the second one. She is still here. In Norukwa Basikwa no na also buy also on America, Cobanata Nigeria, everyone on Nacho. Is it not time you have to be productive? Why can't you people be productive? It even has to take only Miriam justice for you people to lie behind Miriam's justice. Does it mean that any of you are capable of confronting Ogechi one-on-one? You people should keep me out of this silly game. I don't have time for that. That is not why I am here on Facebook. You want to go? You cannot change me because I know how I need Omega for that. You want to go? But if you are thinking you cannot change my relationship with Ogechi. Sad enough, you cannot do that. Because my relationship with Ogechi did not start based on nonsense name on Facebook. My relationship with Ogechi started with something else. I'm not this thing on the Facebook. So why do you think you can drag me into it? You got to go. Why do you think if you come to my comment section even about another thing and with anything to do with Ogechi and you mention Ogechi, I will block you immediately. That is the only way I can fish you people out of my page. You got to go. We are too occupied and busy for things that are very important. You got to go. For you people who do only focus on Ogechi, Ogechi morning, Ogechi afternoon, Ogechi night. That is not how we put food on our table. We have something to do reasonable in a. You got to go. And we get busy with that, and we discuss about other things when necessary. Ogechi is here in Nigeria, and you are still crying. Why can't you get down to action and start doing all those things in a year? What to say? In America, or the possible assure Nigeria, show if she's on the road. If you come to my comment section to come and constitute nuisance, I have decided on how I can get all of you out of my page for good. You gotta go. You can't just sit down every morning, every afternoon, and every night. Does it mean you call? You gotta go. Does it mean you call? Don't know your sole job. Continue doing that job. Leave me. I have other things I am doing. We are too occupied for this nonsense. So no, I drag other people into it. When I want to talk about Ogechi, I talk about Ogechi. The difference between me and you is that Ogechi will your full-time job, and then I see. So continue. I don't know where you people, what you people will earn, gain. Now all these things will not was still okay. I do involved, do actively involved, and now by camera morning, afternoon, and night, instead of discussing serious issues, and they discuss Ogechi. Why? But who sit here down, they will be discussing and gossiping her. Huh? Does it not show that she is more like your fellow man? Is that not why men who are men will sit down and be discussing about a woman instead of discussing about their fellow man? It's only go there, you walk as a man. You put up to Gochu, no now do Ogechi, now when you go there and watch him, have Ogechi no one yibe, the Hakoro be fed all of her. Only a matter do out there for us to put mouth. I know. But it has in the morning, afternoon, night, no Ogechi, and Ogechi, and time. I don't have that time. I don't have that kind of time. You gotta go. Sometimes I don't know, go reason, no chain, no chana. When you venture on there, you gotta go. I don't know why. Moke put say on a morning, afternoon, night, Ogechi. When there are so many productive things for you to do, you will sonye, nebu mokolo be beuna, na even the age mate, or even you know what we make in a memu now. Work on yourself, or 100%, in a middle 50. As do to a ball, put that. In what do one or two things from even though Ogechi Okeke. No, I said, where is Ogechi? Where is Ogechi? Ogechi on America, can I say Ogechi come to Nigeria? Ogechi on Nigeria, I cannot join them. Where is Ogechi? Where is Ogechi, your madam? Ogechi is in Nigeria. Don't ask me that question again. It is left for you now to solve that puzzle. If you cannot solve that puzzle, it means you are still as confused as Ogechi on America. You are even more confused now on Nigeria. Washaba Nasare. Unu mwelefe. Nne kwa tuwa o, kaije wifedo lai.